Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee, and this week I am going to be showing you the 10 things that you didn't know that you could do with nail polish. Number 1, did you know that you can repair shoes and bags using your nail polish? If you've scuffed your heels, then just find a matching nail polish colour, or you can mix a couple together to get it just right. You can just apply it straight onto your shoes or your bag, or you can use a fine detail brush to get it really perfect. Just fill in the scuff marks or wherever you've scratched it. Give it a chance to dry, because when it dries, it actually evaporates off slightly and will concave. Then apply a second layer and allow to dry. And once those are dry, just go straight in with your top coat. This is perfect for repairing heels, and if you want to make your shoes look a little funky, then paint the underside with some coloured nail polish. If you have paint chips and wood and don't have time to do all the repainting, then just cleanse the area with some isopropyl alcohol and take a nail polish to fill in the chips. I keep my old nail polishes that go a bit gloopy so I can use them for this purpose. To repair scratches, just paint on and then soften the edges using your finger. This is a perfect way to be able to do really quick repairs. Number 3, does your jewellery mark you or tarnish and leave green marks? Don't worry about it. Just apply some clear nail polish to wherever is actually touching your skin, and just do a nice even layer and make sure you're covering all the metal. Don't worry if it looks like you apply it too thickly. When it dries, it will evaporate off. Don't forget to apply nail polish onto the backs of necklaces and things like that if they cause problems for you too, or any metal that might be touching your skin. This is one of my favourite hacks. Have you got chips down your car door where you've knocked it into walls and things like that? Don't worry, just match a nail polish and then apply it straight on. If you want to make it look really glossy afterwards, then you can apply a top coat. This can not only disguise the chips, which look unsightly, but it can actually prevent rusting if it's gone through to the metal underneath. And from a distance, you can never tell. Number 5, this one is ingenious. Did you know that if you have a verruca, you can use nail polish to treat it? Just take a black nail polish, and I would keep this one just for this purpose and not to use on your nails afterwards, and apply it onto the verruca. Every day reapply it, and after 7 to 10 days remove, file down, and it should be gone. If not, just repeat the process. Are you always scrabbling around under your desk or behind your TV to find the right plug? Just use nail polish to label it. You can either use the nail polish to do an initial on the plug, this is L for lights, or you can actually paint an entire label. Paint a nice even layer, and you could actually use any colour you wanted to really, but I'm using white so we can write over the top of it afterwards. Apply one nice even layer, and then you can just simply write on the top of it once it's dry. You can use nail polish to repair clothing. Now this was a bra I had, and when it arrived I couldn't be bothered sending it back, but there was like sharp stitching on one side, so I already applied nail polish to it once. It's starting to wear off now, so I'm just going to go straight in with top coat and apply it over the stitching. It will help to cover any of the sharp threads that are coming through and prevent it from irritating you. You can also use it on laces to prevent them from fraying, or on tights, which is one of the old faithfuls. And just apply the nail polish at the top and the bottom of the ladder, and then over the actual hole to stop it getting any worse. Number 8, you can repair or repaint chipped tiles. Now these tiles used to be brown and I hated them, so I took a white nail polish to them, but one of them has chipped. If you wanted to paint your tiles, I just cleansed them with isopropyl alcohol first, and then applied base coat, 2 coats of colour coat, top coat, and then a matte top coat to match. But here, because the nail polish has yellowed, I've just custom mixed and then applied with a brush and softened it in. Perfect, you would never know. Cheap, quick, and easy. Number 9, I use this all the time. Disguise nails and screw heads that are sticking out of walls and look unsightly. I always do this, and again I keep this gloopy nail polish just for this purpose, because it's no good to use on nails anymore, but it's too good to throw away. Once it dries, it goes much smoother. You can also cover screw heads in shelving and on walls. Number 10, and our last one, I love this one. You can stop rust rings on your bath or on your sink. If shaving foam or metal cans are causing problems, just apply a nice quick layer of top coat to them and allow to dry. It seals in the metal and prevents the water from causing it to rust. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any suggestions of things you can do with nail polish, safe ones, then please leave them in the comment section down below. Maybe we can do a part 2 to this. If you're new to the channel and you've enjoyed this video, then please hit that subscribe button, and next to it is a little bell icon. If you click that, it will notify you every time I upload. if they're in the mood. If you like what I do on this channel and you want to support and get rewards and behind the scenes access, then head on over to natashalee.vip where you can join up to become a VIP of the channel. If that's not for you, don't worry. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you all very, very soon.